Has your speedometer started jumping around erratically? Or maybe your ABS and traction control lights just popped on out of nowhere while your transmission is shifting weirdly. You might be dealing with a P215C trouble code. This code is all about a disagreement between two major sensors in your car. Your car has an output shaft speed sensor in the transmission that tells the computer how fast the wheels should be turning. And then it has individual wheel speed sensors at the wheels that measure how fast they are actually turning. When the computer compares these two numbers and sees they do not match up, it throws this code. It is like your engine, and your wheels are speaking two different languages. This usually happens because of the reluctor rings. These are those toothed metal rings that spin with your axles or inside your transmission. The sensors use magnets to count those teeth as they fly by. If a rock hits one of those rings and chips a tooth, or if a bunch of metal shavings from the road or brake dust gets stuck to the sensor's magnet, the signal gets interrupted. The computer thinks the wheel stopped or sped up instantly, which is impossible, so it panics and disables your ABSE. To fix this, you really need a scan tool that can read live data, drive the car safely, or put it on a lift, and watch the speed signals from all four wheels in the transmission. You are looking for glitches or dropouts in the graph. If you have an oscilloscope, that is even better because you can see the wave pattern. A good sensor will show a smooth, even wave. If you see spikes or flat lines, you have found your problem. Before you replace the sensor, pull it out and clean off any metal debris. Sometimes, that is all it takes. Also, check the resistance of the sensor with your multimeter and make sure you are getting the full 5 volts of reference power to the connector. It is often just a dirty signal or a corroded wire, not a blown transmission.